To remove and install the battery on your Pro XD, follow these steps. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Then, tilt up the passenger seat. Next, remove the storage bin under the passenger seat to access the battery. After this, loosen the black negative battery cable fastener. Remove the cable and set aside. The negative battery cable must be removed first to prevent arcing. Then loosen the red positive battery cable fastener. Remove the cable and set aside. Next, remove the fastener securing the battery hold-down clamp. Then, push the hold-down clamp toward the rear of the vehicle to release and lift straight out of the vehicle to remove. Then lift the battery straight up to remove from the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris or damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Next, place the fully charged battery in the battery holder. Make sure the positive terminal is toward the driver's side of the vehicle. Then, install the hold-down clamp over the battery and slide toward the front of the vehicle to secure in the vehicle frame. After this, install the battery bracket and fastener. Torque the fastener to specification. Next, connect and tighten the red positive cable first to prevent arcing. And torque to specification. Then, reinstall the positive cable protector boot. After this, connect and tighten the black negative cable and torque to specification. Then coat the battery terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Then, verify the battery cables are properly secured. Next, turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. Finally, reinstall the storage bin under the passenger seat. Push down to lower the seat. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.